Welcome home, friend. This stunning double-wide modular home just hit the market in Azle. This 1.49 acre home site features all sorts of fun bonuses, including an in-ground storm shelter, RV covered parking, boat covered parking, and a 3-car garage with extra space for tools and storage. This 3-bedroom house makes you feel right at home with its large front porch. Walk into a cozy living room with coffered ceilings, a pellet fireplace, and it opens up to a spacious dining room and kitchen. This kitchen is a chef's dream with a large island with granite counters and lots of cabinets for storage. There has been a lot of attention to detail and love that have gone into this home. Every inch has been updated. Owner's suite features a big walk-in shower. There is an additional living space right outside in the back patio, a flex room inside that can be used as a media room, office, playroom, or anything your family may need. This one is a must-see. There are no HOAs or known restrictions. This lot is completely fenced with an electric gate, and the home is located in Azle ISD, which is Zone 4 Silver Creek Elementary School, Azle Middle School, and Azle High School. Enjoy country living at its best. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin Group.